Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, May the 23rd, and this is an all-access video taking a look at the ES, my favorite thing to use to track the market. Hey, listen, we are in rotation. I think most folks call that retracement, but here's what I want you to look at. A lot of folks thinking, yeah, you know what, this pullback is over. We take a look at a standard retracement event. Got a couple of things that we can look at. Here is primary congestion and a breakout event. Obviously, we can see from this little wave action right here. That's down at 1270. So don't really think that we're done with that. But if we are, the line in the sand today is really going to be somewhere around this region right here. That is my thought. Below 1302, we're going to start tracking on these lower numbers here. We've got a little bit of relative support at 1294. And then if we lose this area here, 1287, which is a very nice bounce point, incidentally, we'll hit this 1280 to 1270. So there is quite a bit of downside momentum here if we can lose primary and secondary support. But that's going to be it, right? Are we going to lose primary and secondary support? For those of us that are a little bit newer as traders, something that you should look at often is the distance between the 200 and the 50. Is that distance getting bigger? Or is it getting smaller? If it's getting smaller, it means that momentum is drifting and you are losing some of it. If it is getting larger, it means momentum is accelerating and we are continuing to move faster in the short term than we had in the long term. So pay attention to those things, and of course, because the market is fractal, it is going to mean the same thing whether you look at it on a monthly, weekly, daily, hourly, or 5-minute chart. Now, for those of you that are a little bit newer, I don't really recommend that you spend a whole lot of time doing microanalysis on a 5-minute unless you're good. But if you are, then that's great. Otherwise, folks, if you're wondering what the market is going to do, just pay attention to the simple things like support and resistance and moving averages. Those are big key elements. If I were to say, hey, listen, what's the trade going to look like today? I would be looking at this fib. Well, let's see. Yeah, again, that 1302 area rearing its head. So we're going to watch that. For us, down here is going to mean likely downside momentum, and up here is going to likely be upside momentum. It's pretty much as simple as we're going to get it. Hopefully that helps you. A lot of folks talking about all kinds of things in the market, but again, don't take the bet. Just let the market tell you where it's going and follow along. Listen, we don't get paid to be leaders, right? In terms of, unless we're managing billions of dollars, that's not our game, right? Our game should be, can we find the leaders and quickly step in line to follow, all right? This is not the place to be a gunslinger or a superhero, all right? Let's just tag along. That's the way we stay green every day. All right, folks, good luck trading. Pay attention to what you're doing. Don't focus on too much, just enough. Have a good day.